Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Samsung Galaxy A06 account. So guys, if you want to create account or you already have account and you want to log in or sign in into account, so all you guys have to do is just go to settings and here click on sign in to your Galaxy. Now we have these options: sign in with Google, email or phone number, or sign in with QR code. And by chance if you don't have any of these options, so just you can go to forget or I don't have any account. After that, just click create account and then agree the permissions here. After that, it required your email address, your phone number, and then your Samsung account will be created. By the way, my account is already created, so I am just going into sign in with Google. After that, guys, just click to your Gmail account. As I suggest you, this method is too easy, so just select this method and then click agree. Now we have the code on my previous devices, so as you see I have the message here, so just click yes and the code is 285240. Now click verify. So as you see, my Samsung account is now created on Samsung Galaxy A06 device. So guys, this is how we can create or login or sign in our Samsung account. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.